So here's the grand diagram. I expect you to memorize it perfectly. Ha ha ha. Now, there's some basic themes here I just want to emphasize. One big one to write down, good one to know, just to give you a ballpark feel for how the world works, is that 31% overall of the solar energy is reflected back to space. It isn't absorbed by the surface. It is reflected by the clouds or by the surface. Or the gases and dust, some of them will reflect too. So if you go 100 minus 31, you get 69%. And that's the amount that was absorbed and then is re-radiated back. Very important difference, right? So there's a short wave that just goes out, it's reflected back, and then there's a long wave that goes out, some of it, but it is radiation that was absorbed by the Earth and the clouds and so on, and then re-radiated back out. And of course, the greenhouse gases do their best to absorb as much of that as they can. So the more greenhouse gases we have in this zone here, the warmer the atmosphere gets.